Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Okay, so I am out here on my patio working on the Casablanca Afghan kit number 5. And I will keep you guys updated on this. This is so much fun. Here come the dogs. Abby, Lady, Max, where you at? Oh, he's still outside. And Lady come to visit. I mean, no, Abby. This is Abby. You looking at Mama's work? Huh? Yeah. There's little Max hanging out over there. He's like, Mom, I'm tired. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Let's see what's in the basket. How about that? I am using an I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook throughout this whole project so far, and that is very, very nice. Okay, so I wanted to update everyone on my Annie's. This is the Casablanca Afghan. It is the Annie's Moroccan Towel Afghan kit. So far, this is what 1 through 6 kit will make. That is 1 through 4, I believe, that's put together, I think. Anyway, this is, one of them comes as, you get 4 of these blocks, and then, so that must be part of kit 4. Kit 5, you get those 3 in that style, and then you get 3 in this style, that's kit 5. Kit 6, you get these 3 that you get to make, and then these 3 you get to make. And I don't know which one is my favorite. Oh my gosh, that's my first one to do, and I was in love with that. And then I made this star. I was like, oh my gosh, that's adorable too. And then this cross looking one, so I don't know. And then of course I did this one, and it just keeps getting better and better. But they are so beautiful. I'm having so much fun. Now, this is the yarn that is put back from the kits. If you do have this kit, make sure you save that yarn, because when I got to kit number 5 and 6, I believe, or it may have just been 6, it did say to use yarn from previous kits. So make sure you do like I did, you keep them all together. These are the bags that 4 come in, and so the plastic bags, and so what I did is I just saved those plastic bags, and I just kept the yarn in it like that, my extra yarn, instead of throwing those plastic bags away, and instead of, you know, getting another plastic bag out of my home somewhere, I just reused the ones that they gave me. But that's what I've got so far, and it is just beautiful. I'm having so much fun with this kit. There are a few that was a little tough for me, but that's where the video came in. I just watched the video tutorial. They do have a left-handed and a right-handed video tutorial, and I am right-handed, so I used the right-handed tutorial. I know I used it on this star for sure. There was one part on this one that I used it on. I think I used it on this one just because sometimes it's actually faster if you just watch the tutorial and crochet along with the lady versus reading the pattern. Sometimes I find it a lot faster, so I think that's what I did by the time I got to this one. This one I did start off on my own, but then it was a little confusing in here, not reading the pattern, but I just wanted to make sure I was doing it right. So I guess in a way it wasn't confusing. I just wanted to make sure I was doing it right. So I did watch the tutorial on that. Yeah, I did for the star for sure. But one thing that I like about this is that you'll notice these last from this cream up to like this color right here, they're all the same on all of them. So once you get your base pattern down, that look, all of this is just the same as you did before on the previous squares. And so by then you have that memorized. In fact, by the time I'm get to it, I just kind of refresh myself by reading the pattern. Then by the time I do the next two, I already remember. I can just actually look at the pattern to see, you know, how many stitches I need to go across. But I'm so excited, and this is sponsored by Annie's Kit Clubs. They are giving this to me monthly to, you know, to work on and show you guys. And thank you, Annie, so much for that. I appreciate it. I love doing this. I love showing this off to all my viewers, and because this is something that I do believe in. I love everything that they about it. I know the price, I believe maybe like $19.99, and then you have your shipping and handling, so it can run up to maybe $25 to $27 a month, I believe. I do belong to some of their other kit clubs. Anyway, I just so thankful that I'm receiving this. It is well worth it. Would I do it again? Probably not this certain one, because for one thing, I'll already have one, and I like to do different things each month. So there is another Afghan that I have my eye on, and so as soon as I finish this one, I will be purchasing another kit that they have. There are actually several of them that I want, and so yeah, this is a basket that I made from one of my tutorials, and that's where I keep my blanket in. And now when I'm actually in my squares, but when I'm actually working on a project, like I'm waiting on kit number 7 to come in, and when it comes in, I actually take the yarn out and put it in another smaller basket, but the big basket holds, you know, everything. So I'm so excited over this. One thing I like about this is that on the back side they show you what you're going to be doing, and I can kind of already tell on here there's only 2 more that I need to do, and it's that one, and where's the other one I thought I saw? I think it might be that one that I haven't done. So maybe those will be in kit 7. But yeah, that's it. So if you don't belong, I believe they have this where you get your first month half price, so you can try it out. But that's what it's going to look like when it's all done. But yeah, I'll leave my referral link below, and you can click on that, and it is an affiliate link. And in case you're interested in trying this. And actually, if you click on that, you don't actually have to purchase this one. This does come in like 3 colors, I believe, 3 or 4 colors. And then if you see another one you like, you can actually purchase a different kit. It doesn't have to actually be this kit, because they have so many kits. Okay, well, I guess I will update you guys in another video once I get kit number 7 in. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you, Annie's, for sponsoring this and giving me the chance to be able to create this beautiful project and to show this off to my viewers. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.